If a tooth is lost as a result of trauma or disease, the space or gap left behind by the missing tooth should be filled immediately to prevent the surrounding teeth from shifting out of proper alignment. A fixed dental bridge may be an ideal solution to fill the space. This involves preparing the teeth on either side of the gap with a diamond drill bit. As either a manual or digital impression is made of the prepared teeth. This impression is then sent to a dental lab for custom fabrication of the final bridge. In the meantime, a temporary acrylic bridge is placed onto the space. During your follow-up appointment, the temporary bridge is removed and replaced with a custom fixed bridge.